Hello, you beautiful kings and queens, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, and today is going to be an update on my lock journey. It's been almost 9 months. It's going to be 9 months in about 5 days or so. So I was all dolled up today. I figured I already did another video about my perfume collection, some perfumes I just purchased, so why not just do this video and go ahead and upload it. I want to thank all my subscribers for sticking with me so far. I want to thank all the new subscribers. I see I'm over 100, so I feel like I'm really doing something right now. I was glad when I had one, so 100 and above, it means the world to me. I thank you guys so much. But anywho, that's enough chit chat. It's been 9 months, so let's see what 9 months look like. About 2 days ago, and sidebar, I purchased this beautiful scarf from Etsy. If you guys have any interest in it, I'll go ahead and link it in the description below. Put on my beautiful scarf. Put it over here, by the way. So this is my hair. It's in plaits. I don't know if you can really see it, to be honest. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Anywho, if you don't feel like sitting here watching this video, you hit fast forward. I get it. Everybody have things to do. You hit fast forward and see what the end result look like. If you want to sit here and chat with me, then we can chit chat. I mean, I know it's a video and all, but if you're sitting here watching this part, thank you. You know, just something to keep you guys company. That's all. Something to watch. Because I know I'll be on YouTube trying to find something to watch, and it's like, you know, I think it's more entertaining when you feel like you're having a conversation versus in this next scene, it's less robotic. I feel like it's more I don't know the word. You hear the kids in the background. It's like we're on FaceTime, but we're not. So I've always used this rose water here. This is Benjamin's brand. It's a Jamaican brand. You know, I'm Jamaican for those of you that don't know. I'm not in Jamaica. I'm in America. I'm an American now, but I was born and raised in Jamaica. But yeah, this is the Benjamin's brand. Rose water. And I purchased it because I love how it smells. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We use this in Jamaica in like Christmas cake when it's Christmas time. If you know how to ice in a black cake, you have to put rose water in the icing to give it that flavor. And since I was a kid, I've always loved the smell of this rose water. It's just like, I don't know. Maybe it's like a nostalgic thing for me or something. I don't know. It's probably what it is. But anywho, so I put rose water and regular water, like say, it can be a bottled water. Like I tell you in the first video that I made, if I don't have bottled water, I'm gonna turn on that faucet and catch some water, because it does the same thing for me. Like this much rose water? What's this much? I don't do measurements. I'm not gonna be like, I use a tablespoon. Okay, for accuracy, I use about 2 tablespoons, right, of rose water, pure rose water, and then the rest is just regular water. I dilute it, so it's not just rose water straight from rose water to my hair. I don't think it would be an issue, but I digress. And I spritz my hair every morning, or throughout the day if my hair feels dry, I spritz it. So after I spritz it now and it's still damp, or after I wash it with the shampoo and it's still damp, then I reach for this. Look this up on Amazon. This thing here will change your life. This thing here smells good. It smells good and it works. It doesn't get any simpler than that. I feel like less is more with this hair journey. Let me keep pulling out this hair for those of you who are trying to fast forward through this part. Where the comb? Okay, there we go. Yeah, so that's the 2 products that I use in my hair. I use the castor oil for moisture. It's like a conditioner. So what I do, I rub it in my hand and I put it on my hair like this, and I rub it in. Sometimes I get like a fine toothbrush and rub it into my edges, because you guys know I have struggle edges. That's what we're calling it. Yeah, I have struggle edges from birth, so I know it's not changing, but I have hope. Okay, so don't judge me. I rub it into my edges and I rub it into the hair, and that's it, you know. And this is the first time I've done plaits in my hair, but I know kind of like how it would look because I used to do this a lot with my sister locks, and it was always beautiful to me. Like, this is my go-to style. I don't plan to retwist my hair no time soon. I'm giving it a chance to grow and to breathe, especially because this is not my first rodeo with no sister locks. I honestly think I got my hair retightened too much, too often, I mean, and that contributed to the breakage, in addition to postpartum depression. God forgive me. In addition to postpartum shedding, the over manipulation with the retighten, it was just not necessary. Looking in hindsight, they say hindsight is 2020, and it really is, because I can clearly see now that was not the best idea. For those of you who are new to this journey, take my foolish advice and don't retwist your hair too often. Regardless of the type of hair you have, don't retwist your hair too often. There has to be some kind of window that works for you. And as your hair grows, you're gonna figure out what works for you, you know? But don't do it too often because you're gonna lose the hair. I haven't interlocked my hair for the 9 month, and I don't think I'm going to, just because I love the look. I know some people like to see the parts, and my parts are all still there, trust me, but I like the full look. I like how it looks when you're kind of stuck. I like the look that it gives because my hair is fine. It's like an illusion that I have thicker hair. So I'm like, as long as my hair is healthy and the roots is fine, I'm gonna rock with it. I'm not gonna do no freeforming because that's on the other end of the spectrum, and I can't do that because then I would really lose the hair. So you have to find a balance. That's all I'm saying. The balance is, do your hair to make sure you catch all the new growth, but don't overdo the hair to the point where you have thinning or you end up giving yourself some kind of alopecia. It's not worth it. It's really not. So yeah, we're just chit-chatting and taking down these plaits. I don't even know how many plaits I have. I don't know how many locks I have. I might do that video one day. Today's not that one day, but one day, you know. So what I did is I washed the hair and then let it dry like halfway, okay, and then I sprayed it with the rose water. I don't want to have my hand in my face, I'm sorry guys. I sprayed it with the rose water and the water mixture that I have over there, and then I put some castor oil in my hand, the same castor oil I just showed you. And for reference, I'm not combing out my hair. I'm just finding, like, you know when you do a braid and the braid is like 3. Excuse the fingernails because it's quarantine fingers. I'm just finding like the space in between to put the comb, just like separate it like that so I can start. I've been thinking about dyeing my hair for 1 year. When I say dyeing, I mean black. This hair not getting no kind of color in there, sorry. Not doing it, not bleaching it, none of that. I'm very good at living and learning vicariously through people. So I watch enough videos and reviews on here and people being regretful about coloring and bleaching their hair for me to just be like, okay, all right then, thank you for the lesson. I know I'm gonna go with black. When I say I think I want to go with black, I mean the level of black. Like, do I want a 1B? Do I want a 1? Do I want to try a number 2? I'm not a fan of like the brown look because I feel like that's already what's in my head. You know, I'm making this video because I have some time and give you guys something to watch, something new, you know, something fresh. Because I know, like, sometimes when I go to watch videos, I'll click on like, I want to see most recent. It doesn't have to be a new person, you know what I mean? I have people I love watching for years, but I just like to see new content. Like, I want to see videos that the person that I'm following made, I don't know, in the last year, not necessarily 3, 4, 5 years ago. because I want to feel like I'm on the journey with the person, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I want you guys to feel like, or I want you guys to see that we're actually on this journey together. I made this channel to document my journey, and in uploading it and seeing the amount of people that are inspired to start their hair after watching my videos, even if it's just one, even if it's just one, it feels good to be able to inspire just one person. This is my hair at 9 months. I am still in love with this hair. This hair is growing. This hair looks gorgeous to me. It is beautiful. It looks, see how it looks? That's because I haven't over tightened it, or tightened it when it's not necessary. Just leave your hair alone, let it grow, let it breathe, give it a chance. A loctician can probably explain what I'm trying to say, but I'm not a loctician, so I don't really know what I'm trying to say. I have to clean this excess hair on and finish. But like, being that I do my own hair, I can tell which lock grows a lot faster than the rest, because some of them will be like 1.5 inch, and then the rest of my head is a 1/2 inch. So for that 1.5 inch, I have to retighten it, because if I extend that retight too long for the one that's already long, it's gonna be a world of problems. So I have a few, like this one here, and pretty much the edge. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 here, so yeah. And then I have, no, not this one. I have this one here, like that one's a problem child, I call it. And then this one here in the front, yeah. And I have combined one lock in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that now. You guys can see? That one, this one right here. I hope you guys can see that. I went and grabbed my interlock tool, just because you guys stuck with me this long of video. I'm gonna do a quick retie on one of my locks, just to show you how to interlock your hair with a 2-point rotation. This is the amount of new growth I have now, and that's like the majority of my hair, but I just wanted to wait a little bit more. But I'm gonna retighten this one. So you gotta start from the back of my head, push it to the front. See that? You want to put the hair, this thing, all the way down till it buck, till it can't go no more. Yeah. And then you put it into the loop and you pull it back. That's how you do it. I'm gonna turn to the side. I'm gonna turn to the side and do it, just so you guys can see me do it properly. Okay, that was what, front to back, and then I go up, down. From the roof, pull it down. One more time. So you go front, you push it to the front, you lock the hair, close this thing, you pull it back, right? And then up, down, from the bottom to the roof, you twist it around, put the hair in, lock it, pull it down. All right? And then, like I said, I want to end it on the back note. End it on the back note. I want to end it towards the back. So you push it this way, you lock it in, you pull it back, and then we're finished. Yes? Yes. Good? Cool. Till next time. Be blessed.